Now for general auscultation of the posterior thorax, we'll be using the diaphragm of the stethoscope. So the first thing is to make sure that your stethoscope is set so that the sound is coming through the diaphragm. The earpieces go into the ears. We are going to be listening in certain areas of the posterior thorax. We're going to be listening over the apices. Every time I touch you with the stethoscope, I want you to take a big breath in and out through your mouth. For the apices. Now for the interscapular area, can you cross your arms across, hug, and just bend slightly forward? So in the interscapular area, breath in and out. For the triangle of auscultation, for the medial base of the lungs,